Come on, Lenny, I'm giving you one more chance, Lenny. What's up, snackheads and vegan lovers? Check it, I'm doing it for Hot for Foods, baby. Check it out. Today, we are doing Lenny and Larry's the complete cream. These are like vegan Oreos, basically. Vegan Oreo, plant-based. Let me break it down. Let me break it down. I know you've seen these in the store. I know you've seen their products. These are 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, no GMO, no soy, no dairy, no egg, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners. This is what's up with these guys. We're gonna do it healthy style though. We ain't gonna do no cow's milk. We're gonna do some hemp milk. I don't know if you guys ever had the hemp milk, and I like it. I've been rocking with it for a little bit. This brand, I rock with coconut milk and also walnut milk, but now I can't find walnut milk anymore. I don't know what's going on. Like, they discontinue them. I don't know why. It's healthy. It's the best thing. Bam! Got my little shot glass. I don't need that much. Come on now. I don't need that much. I know you're like, yo, Stacks, why do you got a shot glass of milk? Because I don't need that much, bro. I don't need that much, bro. Come on, Lenny and Larry. I'm giving you one more chance, Lenny and Larry. All right. People don't know, man, these shot glasses are perfect for Oreo. Look, you ain't think it'll fit. Look it perfectly. Boop, boop, boop. Come on, baby. I like to taste it. Here it go. Oh, man, that texture. Oh. Listen, guys, I'm not feeling this flavor. These right here, oh, it tastes like charcoal with agave on it. That's what it tastes like, man. I think I need a little bit more than this. I need some alcohol after eating them nasty cookies. I'm sorry, y'all. Ain't nothing messing with these, man. I'm sorry, guys. These they hit harder. I tried them, Lenny and Larry. I tried y'all cookies. These are nasty. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Yeah. I'll catch y'all on the next flip, y'all. It's your boy C-Snacks. Peace.